Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of AI on laptops, specifically discussing the latest developments from Microsoft and Apple. Microsoft recently shared a video showcasing the integration of GPT-4 into Windows. This exciting update is set to transform your laptop experience. Imagine asking your laptop to write a love letter, and it spits out a blank page. But if you give it a prompt, like "write a love letter for me," it'll respond with a fresh draft. In the same vein, Apple is also embracing AI with its new assistant called Alma. It's designed to be more personal and contextual than Siri. Alma can understand preferences, learn about loved ones, and even suggest personalized messages based on your interests and relationships. While Microsoft aims to make Windows more efficient with these new features, Apple looks to enhance user experience and make life easier. That's all for today's tech update. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech news. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.